how solar panels are made. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Hunt. Today, we are back with an interesting video saying how solar panels are made. So without further ado, let's discover the procedure. Is it a good idea to construct your solar panels? The dangers of installing your solar panels outweigh the benefits of creating them. Therefore, despite it appearing smart to construct a panel using the correct ingredients, we no longer advise against it. A professionally built solar generator ensures a long life, since it is built to exacting standards and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its durability. The best way to ensure that the solar panels you purchase are built of high-quality materials and will produce solar electricity throughout their guaranteed period or extended warranty is to partner with a qualified solar installer. In terms of reducing carbon dioxide emissions from fossil fuels, solar panels are among the best methods. Construction of solar panels. The most primary additions to a solar collector are the photovoltaic P-solar cells, polysilicon, silicon, metal, and glass. The ultimate source of vitality is sunlight, which is converted into energy by solar cells. A solar collector's solar cells are photovoltaic (PV), which converts sunlight into electricity. Silicon is used to construct solar cells, and glass screens protect them from the environment while allowing the light to pass through. An inverter transforms the electrically operated current created by silicon dioxide solar cells into an alternating current that can be used. Solar cells are made up of wires, and an inverter converts them into alternating currents. An electric current is connected to this wire, soldered to the cells on a sandwich system between a backing sheet and the glass protecting the cells. A metal frame supports the entire panel. Solar panels are constructed from silicon, while solar cells are manufactured from silicon ingots and wafers. Let's go through these steps grade by grade to get a better understanding. Initially, we developed solar cells with P and N types of silicon, which can have either a positive or a negative charge. In the past, P-type silicon was the most prevalent type of solar cell. A beautiful silicon mobile is formed on a well-defined foundation in which boron is deposited on the bottom layer and phosphorus is deposited on the bottom layer. By contrast, cellular plants are built from the opposite standpoint, with phosphorus as the foundation of their structure. The main distinction is that these plants continue to function even when the sun is intense. Crystalline silicon melts during the manufacturing process and is mixed with gallium or boron to form silicon ingots used to create solar cells. Ultimately, silicon is converted into phosphorus, gallium, and boron, which provide its electrical ability. A thin sheet of silicon is then produced, and the sheet is coated with an anti-reflective coating to absorb light instead of allowing it to reflect. As a result, the thin portions are cut down into cells to enable the mobile phone to detect and communicate its presence. Using solar cells, starch semiconductors are created, which are achieved by the photovoltaic effect. Light photons are absorbed by solar cells, and electrons flow through them, creating electricity. Monocrystalline solar panels consist of a single piece of silicon, while polycrystalline panels use many pieces of silicon glued together to create a large plate of silicon. The next step is to solder the solar cells to assemble a solar plate. A solar plate typically has 60 or 72 solar cells. The final step is to attach the backing sheet that covers the solar cells' bottoms. Taking the electrical lines from the solar panels to the junction box is the next step. Finally, an inspection of the solar panels for quality and electrical power is the final and most important step. Place the front of the glass on top of the panel. This releases the solar cells and provides an extra layer of protection. Now use silicone to seal the metal body over the panel, joining all of the layers together. The excellent certified solar panels have now become available for delivery and installation in residential and commercial buildings. Even though most solar panels are produced using relatively similar production processes, several different varieties offer their advantages. What are the different types of solar panels? Most commonly, monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin-film solar panels are available. Monocrystalline solar detectors are made out of a big block of silicon and come in silicon wafer form. Reduced distinctive silicon wafers that may be placed on a solar panel are part of the manufacturing process. As a result, solar cells made of monocrystalline silicon are more environmentally friendly than those made of crystalline or monocrystalline silicon. Polycrystalline solar cells resemble silicon cells. However, they are created by fusing more than a single silicon crystal instead of forming them into a big block or cutting them into wafers. Which countries produce solar panels? Despite being produced in several foreign locations in Asia, compared to various countries worldwide, many solar panel producers are located within the United States. Over the past few years, it has been common to move manufacturing overseas to regions with lower costs for forced labor than in numerous other sectors. However, the United States is more likely to manufacture high-quality plates synthetically since each step is closely monitored to ensure quality. With that, that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe for more.